flaming brandy, man.
Oh.
Take a bite.
I'll
like a
kick
real
your Super Bowl off. Let me tell you what.
That's it. That's a good.
Nice.
Pucker up. Taylor Swift ain't got nothing on these.
All right, what do you guys going here, Slasher?
Hey, we got some
ribs.
baby back ribs here,
All right.
and we got to finish up taking that membrane off. We got the little
Yep.
piece left,
There you go.
so
Real easy to do.
yeah, that's what they say. And yeah, we're gonna try a little bit of different ingredients. We're gonna use some favorite stuff of some people out there. We're gonna do some. Whoop! That almost went flying.
Dangerous. Your toes.
Yeah. Good move. Pretty fast reflexes there, buddy.
Little salt and pepper. I'm ready to eat, man. Come
Yeah.
on, let's get this going.
I know. We gotta move. So we're gonna get these ribs going here.
So what's the basis of these ribs? You said like brown sugar.
Yeah. We're gonna have. We got
brandy,
brandy.
some
We got some bacon. We got some mustard. We got.
We got it.
Yeah.
I got it.
And
Man.
we're gonna put all these spices on now.
Just olive oil you're putting on or regular oil?
That's right. Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Olive oil on there. Yeah.
All right.
So we got a couple of our spices here. We got Almighty, and
Almighty.
I'm gonna put that on one rack.
There you go.
Just put that on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is great, Rob. That's why
Yeah,
they
it
call
is. It
Almighty.
is.
Don't get any
Gonna put
better
some
than
of that
this.
on there. Then we're gonna do our pork privilege. Put that on the other one.
Now this
Gotta
pork
mix.
privilege is very intense.
Gotta mix it up.
There you go.
Give that thing a good shake.
Yeah. Cover it up. We got a little bit of that on each. And then we're gonna sprinkle some SPG, just a little,
That's got your salt
on each
pepper,
one.
garlic,
Yeah.
little chili flake in there. Oh man,
All right.
let's eat now. What are you gonna do?
Looks
Gonna
like
cook
it's
'em?
ready to go. Yeah, we're gonna get this fire going here.
All right.
We got these coals ready to go.
So obviously you're gonna set these indirect, right?
Yeah.
Indirect grilling. We're gonna
Gonna be
smoking
indirect.
in this case. Charcoal on one side. And this way you're not gonna burn the ribs, right? It's gonna be over
Yeah.
here. And of course the circulation of the air with the dome top on this makes a
There you
great
go.
way to cook ribs on these little Weber grills.
There you
Or
go.
whatever kind of kettle grill you got. You know,
Perfect.
there's some good ones out there. You
They
know.
fit perfectly on.
Yep, there you go. Definitely. So if you've never done ribs before, this is how easy it is to do.
Just make sure you don't get it too close to the fire, but yet far enough away so the heat will circulate.
Yep. And then they'll rotate these during the course of the cook, so there's kind of even cooking going on. All right.
Yep. We'll rotate that one, flip that one later.
So is there a football game going on, or what about NASCAR? Yeah, oh, it's coming. It's going to be good. Start
Here
the
we
season
go.
off well, man. So, all right.
All right. Get some bacon on here.
Bacon, bacon, bacon.
Yeah. We're going to cut this up and we're going to use this fancy chopolator. Is that what you say, Bob?
Nick Wright,
Going to be a chopolator? Fancy chopolator.
greatest thing since the invention of electricity.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's it.
that's better than Martha could do. No, it's that.
Chopolator.
That was it.
And then we'll do the same thing with the garlic. Got 4 cloves of garlic.
There
in there.
Look at that. No electricity required.
Yeah, it helps just to speed things up a little bit instead of battling with the knife today.
That's a pretty good size jalapeno.
Yeah, pretty good. I don't know, maybe this is fine enough. I thought I was going to have to do a little purification there. That's why I brought this. Maybe I think I'm going to leave it just like that and put it in the pan that way. It really doesn't hurt these knives. You know, these knives are pretty good tools. I mean, it sounds like I'm really beating the knife up, but I'm really not. I'm just going gentle with it. It sounds scrapey, but it's a good tool. I'm gonna get that bacon a little more crispy.
Spank that bacon. All right.
That worked out good.
Yeah.
Just the way she said spank that baby.
You got it.
I'm going to turn this off for now. I'm going to get a cup of brown sugar.
Are you packing that sugar or just putting it in there?
I'm just going to tap it down a little bit.
So how much mustard went in there?
That's half a cup.
Half a cup?
Yep.
Cool. Now this is the good part.
And we put a whole cup of brandy in there. That's cherry brandy, by the way.
Oh yeah. The smell of that brandy.
Yeah.
How long you have that on there for? Just thicken it?
Just for about maybe 5 minutes, just to get it all.
All incorporated.
Cut. Hopefully it'll start to thicken up a little bit. Just about in time to put some of this right on the ribs.
Looking good.
Jalapeno green.
Take a look at that.
Oh, it smells outrageous, man. Look at that. This is no ordinary rack of ribs going on here.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh yeah. The combination of smells, man, from the rubs
All kinds of smells coming out of this.
to the seasoning.
We'll do 2 or 3 more applications
And now these base.
after this.
Okay. That's a
You go and smell
$40.
this, folks.
Yeah. Man, the price of ribs now at the rib shops.
Yeah.
Outrageous.
Oh, yeah.
Prices. I mean, you're talking $30,
Yep.
$35
Yep.
for one rack.
Yep.
But if you do it yourself,
Yep.
the price of pork is still pretty reasonable.
Yep. You cook the ribs, and it's all about what you do with them.
Yeah.
What you put on them, you know. Pork is a great meat. Tastes about the same if you don't do anything to it, but it's all about putting something on it. That helps.
Good.
Coming in now.
Just take a look at this. Slash.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All that?
Smells good.
All that, Fame?
Man, that smells good, man.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Okay, come in from this shop. Come in from this side.
I can't wait to get that all over my beard and mustache, man. Lord have mercy.
Heaven.
Yeah.
It just hits you right in the nostrils.
That's the mustard. That's
Yeah.
why I always put.
Yeah. It just hits you right in there. It's got that very strong, sweet smell. It comes right up there.
All right.
Cool.
Look at this. We're eating good tonight, Martha. Oh yeah. This is what it's all about right here, man. Let's get a little bit more in here. Never enough. Never enough sauce.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now that's what I call a close shave.
You got it. Smells good.
Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh, good goodness. Good goodness. Oh, this is awesome.
Slather that on.
Oh my goodness. Oh God, yeah.
Just glistening.
We're gonna bake this thing on there.
Pulling away nice.
Oh yeah, the bones are popping.
Won't be long.
That's what we want. We want that. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's it.
Right there.
I
Finish
say,
them off. Gotta finish them off.
$50 a wrap. Easy.
Put it right on there.
And with the pit boys, you can eat it.
Anybody wants to
That's
show
it.
up? $50.
That's it. Oh yeah. We got them going good now. Perfect. Oh yeah.
You can only smell that. What does it smell like, Mr. Fame?
Oh, smells good.
You got it.
All right. Take a look at that.
Cool.
Gonna be eating good tonight, Martha.
That's it.
Don't mind me.
Oh yeah.
Those ladies. Yep.
Exactly what I
Happening
got.
now.
Are you kidding me?
Oh yeah.
Just
Oh yeah.
Lord have mercy. Now what we're doing is getting this.
I knew that big 10-inch would come in here.
That's what she said.
Okay. Now the flare up is because of the branch, of course. This is what makes it a great, great rib feast at your pit.
Oh, yeah.
I got all I need.
There we go. Oh, wow.
Jitterbug.
What you got going on here, Slasher? Got these bourbon
Yeah.
ribs. I stopped by for brandy.
No, brandy ribs.
Not
Yeah.
bourbon. We got some fire brandy. Little spice on 'em.
Oh man,
Right there.
you kidding me?
Let's see. We'll pull that out of there.
There we go. All right.
Pick that baby up.
All right, here we go.
Easy. It's hot.
It's a little hot, but we're going for it.
Flaming brandy.
Take a bite.
Knock your Super Bowl off. Let me tell you what.
That's it. That's a do it.
Pucker up. Taylor Swift ain't got nothing on these.
Look at that. Look at the moisture in there. There, look at that. Oh. Oh man. The moisture is just dripping out of there.
Got a little smoke ring on there.
Yep. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna have to have some rib dip in here. I don't think I can wait any longer.
I'm about ready to grab that sucker.
Yeah. I think we just go ahead and do it.
I say it's privilege right now.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Got some more right there. Yeah. Let's eat them up. Eat them up. Yum.
Yep. Maybe we'll come around this side here and we can.
Mr. Bobby Fame here, grab the first slice.
Bobby Fame, get up
All
there.
right. Let's do this. Okay. All right. I'm not apologizing.
Go.
Help yourself.
Grab it, Dave. Grab. Yeah. Here we are.
Hey, Jitter, come on around, man.
Come on
Grab
around here,
another
Jitter. Grab one. Eat them up.
Oh my Lord.
It's running late. I've been working much.
one. Come on back to your boss.
Oh yeah.
Well done,
That's
chef.
delightful.
Absolutely well done.
Very
Awesome.
Man.
No, you definitely got the chew on this.
Oh,
Oh, this is good.
Flaming brandy. Ribs.
flaming brandy ribs.
lot of other stuff.
A little spice, a little sweet. There's a little everything.
It's a Swifty rib.
It's got the mustard in
These are
it.
umami ribs, right? And they're it's got like flavor everything. These are kickoff ribs. These are what's gonna kick off the Super Bowl right here.
You need a wrap of this, man. Get on the couch.
People start sitting around eating these things. They ain't even gonna care about the game.
Remote control on the couch. I see it. Very, very well done.
I've just been waiting for the spice sales to come out.
Damn.
Look. Them right there are popping. That's smacking good right there, bud.